Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Jauja Udadi from the Marine Science Study Program. Here I want to explain my text entitled The Ocean, a World of Wonder and Mystery. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place that is full of life and diversity. It is a vital resource from food, medicine, and other essential goods and services. However, the ocean is facing a number of threats, including pollution, overfishing, and climate change. We can protect the ocean by reducing pollution, eating less fish, and supporting sustainable practice. Protecting the ocean is essential for the health of our planet and our future. We all have a role to play in protecting this vital resource. That's all I can convey to all of you. Hopefully, it's useful. Thank you all. Bye bye.